Hello, my name is Stefan Steenstrup, and as the President of Dormer Pramet, I want to warmly and officially welcome all Miranda employees to Dormer Pramet. We are delighted to have completed the acquisition of Miranda Tools and have you as part of our global team. We look forward to the journey that we will have together. I would also like to thank the previous owners, Ashok Pirma Group, for their support and dedication in finalizing this deal. This year marks the 75th anniversary of Miranda Tools, a business that has always been at the forefront of industrial development in India. It is therefore fitting that in this anniversary year, Miranda Tools returns to its metalworking heritage by becoming part of Dormer Pramet, a leading manufacturer of metalworking tools for more than a century. The fit of Miranda with its long history to Dormer Pramet is compelling, and together we can take even better care of the manufacturing industry. We see this acquisition as business as usual, and I want to assure all our partners and customers that this will not hamper their ability to receive the goods that they need when they need them. We will start the integration process with engagement and participants from both Miranda and Dormer Pramet. You can expect this work to go on for the next 6 to 12 months. As soon as I will be able to safely travel again, I will make it my priority to come and visit you in India. I am sure that our merger will be a great success, and I look forward to meeting you all. Thank you.